What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brian Olechuga, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So today, as it says in the video, we are going to be working on doing the cabin air filter. It's been a little bit smelly in there when I turn on the AC, so figured it's time to do it. Super easy, super simple thing to do. So here's the filter. Here's the size. So if you're looking for this filter, this is what you know what to get. So yeah, let's get started with how to get started. So first, you're gonna need to pop your hood to get to the cabin air filter. So to do that, just pull that little latch right there, pops the hood. You're gonna come over here to your hood, lift it up right here, just press this over, and your hood will lift. So then come over to this little frunk right here, lift it open, and you're gonna pull this piece out. So this is gonna be in, you're gonna put your fingers down in here and then just kind of pull it hard and it'll slide out. If you push down on it a little bit, you can see there's little tabs right there that helps to, get it out. So press down and pull. Next, you're just gonna go right here and you're gonna press on, there should be a little tab on the left side. Let's see. Oh, there we go. The video is actually helping me be able to see. So when you go to put it back in, it has to go back in like this first because of that little tab at the end. And yeah, there's your cabin air filter. So I'm gonna get mine out and then we'll compare them and see how dirty it looks. All right, here we are. As you can see, a pretty big difference. This one's white and clean, no dirt. And this one's full of debris and stuff. So this one was definitely due. When I was pulling it out, it ripped a little bit. So yeah, it's definitely shot. So this is a nice new clean filter. This one's from Hyundai. This is definitely, again, a different brand. But when you go to put it back in, this is how it goes. So make sure the arrows are down. There's the arrows. Gonna come right on over here. And line it up, slide it in. That's it. As you can see, I got a little bit of dirt on it. Come right over here. Put this piece back in. Listen for the click. I clicked in. Come right here. That's back in. I'm gonna put my piece of paper back in there. Take this trash. That's it. So super simple, super easy. Again, this filter looks like it was clean a little bit right there, but the rest of it is absolutely filthy. So it's definitely due for a cleaning. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple, super easy. Again, don't pay a dealership to do it. This took less than 5 minutes, and it only took as long as it did because I made a video. Again, just get the filter on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, or you can get it probably from any AutoZone or O'Reilly's or anything like that for like 10 bucks. So don't pay the $50 to get a new cabin filter put in. Just do it yourself. Super simple, super easy. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.